In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Splitwise password. If you've forgotten your Splitwise password or just want to regain access to your account, don't worry. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Splitwise website. You can do this by typing the Splitwise address into the address bar at the top of your browser and pressing enter. Make sure you're on the official Splitwise site before you continue, and wait for the page to load completely so all the options appear correctly. Once you're on the Splitwise homepage, look for the Login option. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to open the login screen. This is the same place you would normally enter your email and password to access your account. On the login page, instead of typing in your password, look for a link that says "Forgot your password." This link is specifically there for situations like this, when you can't remember your password. Click on "Forgot your password" and you'll be taken to the password reset page. Now you should see a simple form asking for your email address. This needs to be the email you used when you created your Splitwise account, or the email that's currently associated with your account. Carefully type your email address into the field. Take a moment to double check for any typing mistakes, like missing letters or extra spaces, because an error here could prevent you from receiving the reset email. After you've entered your email correctly, look for the button that says Reset Password. Go ahead and click on Reset Password. When you do this, Splitwise will send a password reset link to the email address you provided. This link lets you choose a new password securely. At this point, open your email inbox in a new tab or on your phone and look for a message from Splitwise. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. When the email arrives, open it and click the link inside to set a new password, following the instructions shown there. And that's it. You've requested a Splitwise password reset and you're ready to choose a new secure password and log back into your account.